today we're gonna make bread toast with a twist. So let's get into the video.
All you need for this is 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1/4 of cinnamon powder, 1/4 of baking powder, 3 slices of bread, 1 apple, 3 eggs.
First, we have to peel the apple and cut it into small chunks. Push it down really hard. Will it help?
Yeah.
Now the apples are ready. Now we gotta powder the bread.
Now the powdered bread is ready.
Crack the eggs. Now we gotta beat it. I put the sugar inside. Now Josh will keep on mixing. Now I'm gonna add the baking powder. Just keep on mixing. Now I'm gonna add the cinnamon. Josh, keep on mixing.
Looks like cinnamon stick.
Okay.
Put that. Put that.
Now we're gonna add the bread. That's a lot, right, Josh?
Now put the apple now.
First we gotta mix it.
How's that?
Is it getting really, really hard?
Yeah. It went inside here.
Wow, that's a lot. You take it down from down and mix it, okay? Good job, Josh. I never seen you do that before. Now we're gonna put in the apples. Now we're gonna keep it in a greased pan and pop it in the oven. Okay, you do it. Now we preheated the oven to 350. Now we gotta put it inside. See, now our bread is ready. I'm gonna insert a knife to see if it's sticky. See, nothing is there. So let's take it out. Let's cool it down for 15 minutes. This is how it came out. Now, Josh, you want to take the first bite?
Okay.
Is it good? Let me try. That's so good.
Yeah, I told you.
Okay, friends, thank you for watching. If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye, friends.
Bye-bye, friends.